Hey guys, I'm going to do a series of tests about if I can quiet down this generator. So right now it's running. I warmed it up first, obviously, and then now it's plugged in and it's charging. And also it's kind of loud because I'm actually in a garage and it's echoing off the walls. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to line the outside of the panels with felt and then put on top of that some false leather or full leather just to make it look nice. So hopefully that will make quiet down a little bit, and so I'll record another video right after I do that from exactly this position and the bike at exactly that position so we get an accurate sense of the volume. And now I'll do about 10 seconds of me just not talking. Okay guys, so I didn't put the felt on the outside. I checked the inside of the engine. It was actually pretty cool, so I decided to put it on the inside first, just one layer, to see if there's a markable difference. It doesn't seem like it does much at all, to be honest. So maybe most of the noise is actually coming out of the exhaust at the front, which obviously I cannot do anything about. So I'll be silent for 10 seconds and let's do the comparison. Okay, so that's about 10 seconds. I'm going to format this video inside and just see, putting my headphones, see if there's a big difference. And if not, then maybe I'll take out the felt or just leave it in there. If there is a big difference, then I'll do a layer on the outside and then cover that with some faux leather just to make it look nice. Alright, not talking. Okay, so that's about...
Hey guys, so I think the results were I'm actually looking at my recording software, the decibel levels, so it'll be more accurate. It is less, no doubt. The peaks and whatever and the valleys are less, but it's not that much. Maybe the material, that felt I'm using, is not right. I tried looking for polystyrene, but I couldn't find any. So I just tried to use the felt instead. So maybe I'll try again with actual foam instead. But for now, it's not that great. It does reduce it, but it's not as impressive as I hoped it would be. Anyway, hope everyone's doing well. Like and subscribe and comment.